More headaches for Boeing this weekend. This is the company Starliner capsule returns from the International Space Station without the astronauts that brought them there, or it brought there. Morgan Brennan has been tracking this. Morgan, you and I talked about this on set a couple of weeks ago, of course, as well. I hope they packed for a long voyage.
They've packed. NASA's packed. This is what's happening. 8 days, David, becomes 8 months. Another black eye for Boeing after NASA said it would send the Starliner capsule home empty. It's going to use SpaceX's Dragon to bring Butch Wilmore and Sunny Williams back from the International Space Station in February now. This after months of tests due to Starliner's technical issues. This is a decision NASA did not make lightly.
I don't think it's a trust issue at all. I don't think we're rebuilding trust. I think we're looking at the data, and we view the data and the uncertainty that's there differently than Boeing does. It's not a matter of trust. It's our technical expertise and our experience that we have to balance.
Now, B of A calling that comment right there, quote, concerning, writing, quote, this suggests gaps in Boeing's technical workforce and supports our view that the company has strayed from its strong engineering foundations, adding that this points to the magnitude of the challenge now facing new CEO Kelly Ortberg. Now, Boeing has already spent upwards of $1.6 billion on Starliner over the years. That's on top of NASA's $4.5 billion for Starliner. The question's now, what happens for Boeing's manned spaceflight business? Does NASA give Boeing another opportunity? It actually seems like it actually will. Does Boeing take more charges to do that? How much has it racked up even just going through this space flight? Or does it scuttle the business altogether? Well, Boeing's saying the focus remains first and foremost on ensuring the safety of the crew and spacecraft. They're working closely with NASA on the return of Starliner. Perhaps that'll happen as early next month. As for SpaceX, President Gwen Shotwell posting on X, quote, SpaceX stands ready to support NASA however we can. Now, SpaceX is on track for its 14th human spaceflight tomorrow with Polaris Dawn, which will include the first ever private spacewalk, new SpaceX suits, and 2 crew members that are actually SpaceX employees. So, guys, you could call this a stark juxtaposition between the 2 NASA-contracted companies. Shares of Boeing are down almost 1%.
So in this race, I guess, really SpaceX taking a victory lap here, Morgan.
Yeah, human spaceflight is hard. It's always, whenever you're doing a first flight with a new vehicle, there's going to be issues, but this certainly speaks to some of the troubles and challenges we've seen with this program for Starliner, for Boeing, for a number of years. When you look at commercial space in general and you take a step back, I feel like I've said this so many times on TV, but it's true. It's really SpaceX and everyone else. When it comes to rocket launches, now when it comes to human spaceflight at this point in time. And it speaks to perhaps why SpaceX is such a hot investment in the private markets and is dealing with upwards of a $200 billion valuation, according to the most recent tender offers and the reporting that's been done around that. Now, a lot of the valuation in SpaceX these days is tied to Starlink, its broadband internet service, satellite service. But the fact that it has this incredible launch cadence, the fact that it has been building out so many pieces of this commercial space business, this is just one more example of its increased reliability over the years.
Yeah. I mean, to put that in perspective, if it went public at that level, it would have a market cap well in excess of that of Boeing. I wonder, Morgan, for Boeing, with a new CEO, what are the risks of just saying enough with this? Let's just focus on making airplanes.
And I think that's exactly what you're seeing really across some of the Wall Street analyst notes today, too. There's been a lot of, and David, I'm sure you're very aware of this, there's been a lot of speculation over the last couple of years, I'd call it, but particularly the last couple of months, that maybe you see the broader defense and space business. Boeing decides to do something with that, spin it off, sell it, et cetera. We already know that the rocket business that it shares with Lockheed Martin, ULA, has been on the sale block for a while. Nothing has come of that yet. So you are starting to see that increased cadence of analysis, research, and perhaps even calls for this business to be something to happen or to change with this business, or Boeing to perhaps look at exiting it. We'll see. Seema?
Boeing down 33% this year. Morgan, thank you.